Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll look at how we can capture wireless or Wi-Fi packets using Kali Linux. Now this video is going to focus on the main steps that we need to take in order to do that. I'm going to begin by showing the interfaces. Now before you can do this, you'll need to have a wireless adapter that can work on Kali Linux that can be able to be turned into monitor mode. So you'll need the right chipset. I'll provide a link to the kind of wireless adapter that you'll need. Once you have that, then you should be able to see the wireless interface. Now the command for showing the wireless interface or for showing interfaces in general is two commands. You can use ifconfig. And right now we only have two interfaces, loopback 0 and it's 0. We don't see anything to do with the wireless interface. The other command is iwconfig, and this one also is not showing any wireless interfaces. Now I have an external USB based wireless adapter, so I'm going to plug that into, I'm running a virtual machine, so I'll plug the adapter to my host machine, which is a Windows PC, and you see a window popped up here. It's asking if I want to connect to the host or to the virtual machine. Let me connect it to the host. Click OK. I'll click OK. Now if I rerun the commands, it's still not showing. We need to actually connect it to the virtual machine from the host. And I do have another video. I'm going to provide a link that goes through the process of connecting your USB-based wireless adapter to Kali Linux. If you have Kali Linux running as a virtual machine on either Virtualbox or VMware, so you need to go to VM right here on the menu, removable devices, and then here you should see the adapter listed. I only have one, Atheros, and this is the one. So here it says connect, disconnect from host. So I'll select this. OK. I'll go back. And I'll do it again. Might have to do this twice actually. Click OK. Now let's rerun ifconfig again. Still not showing. So let's go to removable devices, and this time we have a check mark. You want to see a check mark, and then it should say disconnect, connect to host. That means now that we are connected, the wireless adapter is connected to the virtual machine. Now I should get it, should show here, and now I have it showing as a WLAN 0. There it is, and it's even got an IP address on the wireless network. Let me clear this, and I'll run iwconfig, and now you're seeing the interface WLAN 0, and the mode, as you can see, is managed. In order for us to capture packets around us, not only the packets that are coming to us on the wireless interface, we need to change this to monitor mode. And again, you need the correct chipset to do this. If you connect an adapter and you don't see it, that means it's not compatible with Kali Linux. So in order for us to change this to monitor mode, we need a command. We'll need to use the command called mon-ng. Now let me go ahead and show the command here. So the command is mon-ng. If I press enter, it's saying I have to run as root. So I'll do sudo, and I'll provide the password. And as you can see here, it's recognizing the driver as well as the chipset, which is Atheros. Now, to see what options we have with that command, let's rerun it. And then we'll use -h. Again, I'm going to use sudo on -h. And it says usage on, and then you have to either put in start, stop, check. Then you have to put the interface. Then you optionally can put the channel. So we'll just, in order for us to convert this to monitor mode, we'll use start and then we'll put the interface, which is WLAN 0. So we'll say sudo airmon ng. I'll say start. Now, if you needed to stop it, you just use stop, and then it's WLAN 0 here. It says found two processes that could cause trouble. We can just ignore that for now. And it says monitor mode enabled. Let me clear this. I will run iw-config again. And now it's in monitor mode. Now that we're in monitor mode, there's commands we can run to do the capture, the packets on the wireless network. Now I have a video that's got more details on this, but mainly one of the commands you'll use for this is this command right here. So let me say sudo arrow dump ng. This to help. And this is the command you can use to capture packets. Again, I'll provide a link to a video that I made with some of the options that are available to us. Okay, so one thing to take note of is once you change it to monitor mode, the name of the interface is going to change. So let me do iw-config here. You can see now the interface changed to WLAN 0 mon instead of just WLAN 0. So if you're going to be running the command, say arrow dump command, ng, and then -h, you have to put the right interface. If I put this interface, it's not going to work. So I'm going to have to put the right interface here in order for it to work. Okay, and as you can see, it's showing me the different networks that are close by. It's showing the BSS ID, the power, the beacons, and stuff like that. So that's all for this video. And once you're done with monitor mode, again, all you have to do is do sudo airmon ng stop. And now you have to put, and here you have to put the interface, the new name, and they should disable it for you. Now if I do iw-config, it should change back to managed mode and not monitor mode. That's all for this video. That's how you can change your wireless interface from managed mode to monitor mode, which then will allow us to capture packets on a wireless network. So I hope this information has been useful. I'll catch you in my next video. Thanks. Bye.